I am so bored. I literally have nothing to do on a day where I don't have school. I'm just gonna play some Sonic Free Air. Because I am so bored right now. I tried to make a stream, but nobody came. I am so bored. And can someone please tell me a recorder so I can record sound without the mic? Because my house can literally get so loud as yesterday because my mom was calling on the phone. I am literally so bored. I don't know what to do. I'll just watch TikTok. I'll play Sonic Free Air. Let's do Knuckles this time. I'm so bored. Please, someone in the comments to tell me a really good internal recorder so I can record the music stuff. And of course I'm on debug now. I remove debug because debug sucks. Why couldn't they do the gravity thing with the X button? Whatever button. Yeah, the X button. This button. This one I'm pressing right now. Instead of the A button. The A button's like the main jump button. They could have just done the X button. That would be... No, it won't be dumb. And so when you go on debug, you use the X button to press stuff so you can instead use the A button. Might as well do Angel Island as Knuckles. Let's go do Sonic's route. Always hate that Badnik. That Badnik sucks. It fucking sucks. And today I don't have school because only administrate. Oh, come on. I always suck at the blue spears. Could have called this blue balls. Damn it. It's always so hard. Like the 3D view of that does not look fun. I do not like that. Plus, I thought this was my actual save file where I have all the chaos emeralds, but it wasn't. And I am sick. I have a bad cough. And I probably have bad mucus. Isn't affecting me right now. It might do it late. It might affect me later. But let's go. We're invincible. I might just do a video where I just fuck around with debug. I might do it if I'm bored again. And I died. That's pretty cool. I'll delete these save files. This one's my personal one. I don't know what to do. Supersonic. And of course I have Ray, because Tails sucks. Tails sucks. I tried to record the Hydro City video now, but that was awful. I kept getting really mad because of the stupid recorder. The recorder sucks. You have to buy something from Amazon to get internal audio. That's dumb. Plus, I can't really do any other app because it's Android plus 10, and I'm on a fucking tablet. So that's stupid. Might as well just go Supersonic now. I might do Supersonic for Marble Garden for part 3 of my thing. I'll still keep using Hypersonic for part 2 Hydro City. But I'll use Supersonic for my Marble Garden run. I want to end this video if I beat Marble Garden. I'm kinda hungry, so I might as well just end the stream when I'm finished with Act 1. So I'll just have time to make food. After this act, I'll just go make food. Yeah, here we go. It's gonna end now. It's easy because I'm Supersonic. I'm fucking Supersonic. This is gonna be easy as shit. There we go. Now I can end the video. And I'm gonna end the video now. I'll see you guys later. And in part 2, Sonic Free Air Hydro City's gonna come out soon. I wanna start it when I get internal audio recorder. If someone has an app for it, they can send me in the comment. Please, someone send me internal audio thing so I won't hear my voice that much. But hear this good music. Yep. And see you guys later, for real now. Bye.